Hello, children. Let's look into the meanings of the poem Rain on the Roof by Coach Skinny, your Beehive textbook, class 9. Okay. Now, the first stanza, you have many meanings out there. Bliss. Bliss means happiness. Humid. Humid refers to something that is full of moisture. So, humid is in the first line. Bliss you find later down, fifth line. Now, coming to shadows. Shadows you will find again in the first stanza itself. Shadows refer to moisture-laden clouds. Then, rainy tears. Here, the poet refers to the raindrops. He compares these raindrops to tears. Next, melancholy, sad. So, humid shadows means the dark clouds which is full of water. Hover means to move around something. Cottage refers to the poet's bedroom. Cottage chamber refers to the poet's bedroom. Then, coming on to your second paragraph, tinkle. Tinkle in the first line of the second para. That is the light, short, ringing sound. Echo. Second line refers to repeated sound. Patter refers to the sound of raindrops falling on the roof. Busy being refers to human beings, but here in this poem, it refers to the poet himself. Shingles, second stanza, first line, shingles. It refers to the rectangular wooden tiles used on roofs. Then, coming to woof, that is weft, which refers to the thread that is woven on the loom. I hope all of you have seen a weaver's loom or heard about it. So, the thread that is woven on the loom. Now coming to the third stanza, ere, E-R-E, means before. So, this is an old poetic word. Then list. Sixth line of the third stanza, list, means listen. This is also an old poetic word. A refrain. Actually, refrain means repeated part of a poem or a song. But here, in this poem, refrain refers to the sound of rain. Then, dawn is daybreak. I hope the meanings are clear.